30 to 50 million adults are lactose intolerant. That's when the body cannot properly digest milk and milk products. We have some advice on how to deal with this chronic condition. Lactose intolerance can develop at any age. Symptoms may include abdominal pain, abdominal bloating, gas, diarrhea, and nausea. Lactase pills may help if you eat them before you have any kind of dairy product. Avoiding milk and dairy products is key, but getting enough calcium and vitamin D is also important.
What we recommend is that patients eat foods that are high in calcium. And then also some people may need to take a supplement of calcium and vitamin D.
Sunshine and spinach, calcium and vitamin D. Doctors say people with the condition can have a small amount of lactose in their diets.